Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about AutoCAD and what is it, how we can use it. So as you know, everybody know AutoCAD is a designing software. Here you can do 2D design, 3D design and assembly design, lot of other things. Many types of designs are there that we can do using AutoCAD. So in many institutions they teach AutoCAD, but I see many students, they know about something about AutoCAD, but due to lack of practice or due to lack of complete knowledge, they can't use it properly. So here I am trying to make you understand more about AutoCAD so that you can draw and increase your skill, and which will help you eventually to get a job. So and it will also increase your confidence. You can design anything whatever you want. So let's start learning about AutoCAD. So as you can see here, what Wikipedia is saying, AutoCAD is a commercial computer aided design and drafting software application developed and marketed by Autodesk. So Autodesk is the company, and AutoCAD was released in December 1982. Okay, so that was detail we don't need to go. So firstly I want to say that how you can get the AutoCAD software. That is the first thing. After that you can do whatever you want, but first you need the software. And if we can get the genuine version of AutoCAD, then seamlessly we can do whatever we want. So no need to go for the pirated version, go to torrent or go to any website, go to any friend, or take the hard disks with you, give me this, give me that. So that is a headache. So for that I have a solution for you. Just do that AutoCAD student edition, search here. Okay, you see educational software offering. So with student edition you can download it, install it and do whatever you want. For beginners or just for designing purpose, it is enough, more than enough. Okay, we are not using for commercial purpose. Even for commercial purpose, many things you can do with this student version, but I don't encourage you for that. You try to do in student work only in student edition. Okay, so first here you have to create an account. Then I already have an account and choose operating system here, language here. Then you can download. It will automatically install online and you can download it. So as you can see here, I am having here already down. So this is the software I was telling you, Autodesk AutoCAD 2020 student version. I have also downloaded the same version from the same website, from the AutoCAD website. So here you can see the option is there, start drawing, some recent document. These are some drawings that I have done previously. Here there are tools. So this is the overall user interface. So we will learn about the software more and more in the upcoming videos. So I request you to follow the videos chronologically for understanding better, and do practice and like and subscribe to my channel.